Alright, so today, this is probably going to be shooting a shit type video. So this is my Mazda, the 2007 CX7. This one I had intentions of selling, but I gotta flip a coin if I'm gonna drive it or if I'm gonna sell it. Besides the Jetta I got, and then I gotta keep these wheels flipping, so I need to pick one. So I want to be showing y'all my techniques of when I'm working in the driveway or whatever. How am I doing jobs like this? What am I using? As you see, I got my pallet jack, and I got the cherry picker right here, and got my cart on the side as well, tools in the truck, and then some shit in the garage. So I want to set the tripod up, and I don't know, we just gonna shoot the shit pretty much.
Life shake, ain't no basic lesson. Hard headed, never learn a lesson. Every day we receive stress. Real shit, niggas need correction. I feel up pressure, full compression. Sit it down like a full confession. God feed me, get the real test. You ain't learn, beat the lesson. Be a leader, you can follow dollars. I ain't talking to packing powers. Back you up like an Eddie Power. Inside I pack a lot of power. Show you niggas how to be a rider. Take girls like a finger slider. Niggas fold like a whole collar. Stand my ground like a Rottweiler. Any who, that's the way we live. Real life, that's the way it is. Like you messing like a baby kid. Like I don't speak what the lady did. You know it's right, right the spot like a wreck ribs. Beat bounce like a mattress. Let me show you what the practice is. Hit it playing on my name ring. No telling who the boy ring. I can run for the real thing. Wrap it up like a real thing. Misfire like a coil thing. From the ground like a soil thing. I ain't counting on my things. Keep it faith and I'ma keep it flexing.
Alright, so I did get the steering shaft inside of the little rubber hole that goes inside of the car. I got this, basically all 6 studs is pretty much lined up, and I got one engine mount kind of started. I'm going to start some more, and then I'm going to put the mount on that side, and then after I do that, then there's 2 mounts, and then put the 6 subframe nuts on, and then I'm pretty much going to wrap it up for the rest of the day because I won't be able to finish. I need proper lighting to finish this, and just kind of good that I'm able to get this engine in by myself, but it is what it is. Charged up, ready to go.
Can't tell me different, God love me, nigga. Man, that's why my rate paid. Nigga stay been in my ways, been a long time since a nigga prayed. Heart cold, but my faith can test, they played it side and I can keep it fade. Stressing out over different things, like a quarterback, he can switch the pass. I ain't feeling when my dad died, I ain't had no place to walk. I ain't had nobody good to talk to, just me, and it was good to spark 2 relationships, women quick to chalk. Piece you out, get my point to mouth. Dog you out, you my thing to balk. No bike, you don't have a
Left that side a little loose, but that one is in, so I'm tightening up 3 bolts.
Vision, now my vision wide. While we park now, while we drive. Pay attention what you think, folks. Put it up like an archive. As is, that's the way you take it. You can do the same, you can't funny like Wayne Brady. Be a blessing, gotta work daily. Be aggressive, never work shady. Prove and test, you can be a test. Be a blessing like a deadly weapon. I'm burning blessing, I'm burning lesson. Be a blessing like a deadly weapon. Got a passion, better got a passion. In the skies, there's another guy. Got a passion, better keep a passion. In the skies, there's another guy. Prove and test, you can be a blessing. Hold a blessing like a deadly weapon. Like a deadly blessing, always learn a lesson. Hold your blessing like a deadly weapon. Got a passion, better got a passion. In the skies, there's another guy. Got a passion, better keep a passion. In the skies, there's another guy.
I'm pretty much done for the night. Got it mounted in. All subframe nuts are in. 2 engine mounts that's in, and the bottom torque mount was already in because I left that on. So I guess next time I come back out here, I should do a part 2 to this. I should have steering shaft connected, exhaust connected, heater hoses. The engine is already wired up, so I have to just wire it to the main connector, which is stuff over here. It's not a problem. If anything, a few hours left for work. So I'm Leekautorepair. I'm getting out of here. Make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.